Hello, it's Michigan. I'm Dr. Adam London, Director of the Kent County Health Department, and I'm here today at the amazing West Michigan Vaccine Clinic at DeVos Place, or as we like to call it, the happiest place in West Michigan. It really is amazing. The atmosphere here, the positivity, both the staff, the volunteers, and all the great clients who are coming to get vaccinated here. An amazing thing happening in our community. So proud of it. So today I want to talk briefly about what's happening with our numbers and then what's happening with vaccination. With our numbers, as you may have heard, we are seeing some concerning trends. Across the state and across the nation, we're seeing an increase in cases. Here in Kent County, we're over 50,000 total cases now, and we've increased from about 75 new cases per day a week or so ago up to about 100 cases per day. Yesterday, in fact, we had 178 new cases, which is very concerning, and we're seeing the positivity rate of our tests go up. Right now in Kent County, we're at 5.4% of all tests coming back positive. A week or two ago, we were closer to 4%. That's very concerning, along with the information our hospitals have shared about COVID inpatient numbers increasing. And many of those cases are, in fact, younger, and some are even children. That's very concerning for us, especially as we realize that these COVID variants are becoming more prevalent, and people are prematurely celebrating, thinking that we're through this. So we really want to warn everyone, caution everyone, we're not through this yet. We are getting very close, but we really need people to adhere to the discipline of wearing facial coverings in public, avoiding large social gatherings, and hand washing. Please continue to do that so we can get through these next few months and get to the other side of this pandemic. Now, in regards to vaccination, as I mentioned, this site here at DeVos Place is amazing. We're vaccinating a lot of people here, and so are the many other clinics throughout West Michigan. Right now, we are vaccinating healthcare workers, first responders, K through 12 educators and staff, child care providers, congregate care workers, the 65 and older population, people aged 50 and older with underlying health conditions, caregivers and guardians of children with special health care needs, and uniquely vulnerable groups, such as some of our refugee populations, which have extreme language and transportation barriers. Now, we're also encouraging right now people in the following categories to pre-register, and that is people aged 50 and older, people working in the workplaces of food and agriculture, including restaurants, critical manufacturing, public transit, grocery stores, postal service, other civil service and utility workers, and other critical infrastructure workplaces. If you're in one of those occupations, we want you to pre-register. And what we'll do, if vaccine is available, we're going to call for appointments perhaps early for those groups. We are prioritizing based on vulnerability and based on eligibility, but we do want to make sure that we're using all of our vaccine every week, and sometimes that means we're going to call from these other groups that may not officially be eligible yet, but we need to fill those appointments. So please, pre-register, and you can do that by going to vaccinatewestmi.com, choose the link of the provider that's the most convenient for you, fill out their pre-registration form, and they'll call you when a vaccine is available. If you don't have a preferred clinic location, please follow the link to the West Michigan Vaccine Clinic here at DeVos Place. This is the clinic that's the largest, that's receiving the largest allocation every week, and that is moving the most appointments each week as well. So please continue to do that. Please continue to stay positive, stay heroic, and stay healthy, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Thank you.